if you talk to 10 people, even 10 people in the industry, and say, what's a smart grid, you get 10 different opinions on it. But what it really is using technology to make the grid more efficient and more effective in serving customers. And I'll give you a great example of this. So as you know, in California, we have, quote, smart meters. And these are basically meters that have a small computer and transmitter. So originally thought, well, utilities will save some money because they don't have to go out and read the meters, and customers will have real-time information about how much energy they're using so they can manage their electricity usage. And that was, good, and that's all true, and you can manage your usage. In fact, you can even hire somebody who writes different applications. If you see a really cool app, you can send your smart grid data, and they will put them into their app and tell you, how you can be more efficient with electricity. But then we discovered, these meters tell us a lot about the system. Back before we had them, we didn't know you were out of electricity unless you called us up. And so if there was an outage at 4 o'clock in the afternoon because a storm went through, we didn't know till you got home and called us. Well, we discovered with these meters, we know the meter tells us, hey, I'm out. So we know to mobilize our trip before you even call. In fact, we might even get your electricity back before you even get home. Then we found, we could attach that information coming from the smart meters, and we could send it right to our switching gear. And if there are 1,000 customers out, we could switch around so that only the 100 customers nearest where the failure happened are out. And so you can think of this as now the grid is getting smarter, and I think we're going to see all kinds of innovations as new technologies come along to be able to make the grid smarter and faster and more efficient.